Director of Waves Strategy. He is Chartered Market Technician, MBA, and did his Bachelor of Engineering from Mumbai University. He has vast experience in capital markets and worked with leading investment banks like Lehman Brothers, Nomura Holdings within Capital Markets Division. Mr. Ashish is a frequent speaker on business channels like CNBC TV 18, Z Business, and has been interviewed by Lukas Kobe, Swiss business channel of Indian economy. He publishes research on global markets, commodity and forex markets using orthodox as well as advanced technical tools like Elliott wave analysis and time cycles. He has also been a guest speaker on host of management colleges, Financial Technology Knowledge Management Center, National Institute for Banking Management, NIBM, Pune, for speaking on trading and forex hedging strategies using Elliott wave for treasury heads and dealers of PSU banks. We are privileged enough and glad to have you as speaker, sir. Please carry on. Thank you.
And APMA for providing such a wonderful platform for any technical analyst to be presenting themselves here and promoting the cause of technical analysis. Because technical analysis, especially in India, is something which is not widely known. People are taught about fundamental analysis in colleges. They are taught in probably in BCom, they are taught in BFM, and many other places. But technical analysis is something which is an excellent study, but it's still not taught everywhere. So it's very much necessary for someone to take initiative, and thanks to ATMA for taking such a wonderful initiative and starting this organization where people can be made aware about the power of technical analysis. And from the MBA members, the MBA office bearers, it itself shows how important CMT is. So I am a CMT, I am a Chartered Market Technician. I worked with Lehman Brothers, Nomura in 2008 when the Lehman Brothers announced for bankruptcy. And after that Nomura took over, so I worked with Nomura, and then I decided that probably I should be getting on my own, and started with this firm known as Wave Strategy Advisors, where we provide independent research to many of the brokerage houses. We provide research to individual clients, and our core competency is using Elliott wave. Elliott wave is one of the studies in technical analysis. If you learn Elliott wave, you will not know how to do technical analysis without Elliott wave. That is the power of Elliott wave. But at the same time, you should be aware that the basic technical analysis, which is channels, using indicators, and all those things are equally important. And Elliott wave encompasses all those things and combines together to come out with a forecasting capability where we can forecast probably charts from few minutes to few hours to probably few decades and centuries. Now, Elliott wave is something which was invented in probably 1930s by R.N. Elliott. I'll just give a very brief introduction.